Once again, we are going to see the shortcut. Once again, we are going to see the shortcut. So this is a plate 1. This is a plate 2. This is a plate. So we have 3 plates. This is a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. This is a QA chart, QB chart. This plate having QC chart. Now we are going to show, and formula. What is the formula? Means QA is equal. I want Q1 value. What is the Q1 value? So Q1 value is equal total QA plus QB plus QC by 2. Next, I want Q2 is equal QA minus Q1. Next, Q3 is equal to minus Q2. Next, Q4 is equal QB minus Q3. So next to Q5 is equal to minus Q4. Next, Q6 is equal to QC minus Q5. This is a formula. This is a shortcut method. That is a value C. QA plus QB plus QC by 2 and QA minus Q1 minus Q2, QB minus Q3 and Q4. Next, this is a shortcut and question. The question is asking, suppose for example this is a plate 1, plate 2, plate 3. This is a plate. This plate having charge Q. Question number 1. This plate having charges 2Q, 3Q. Now this is a Q1 value, Q2 value, Q3 value, Q4 value, Q5 value, Q6 value. We are finding this value. Now Q1 means what is a Q1? Q1 is equal to QA plus QB plus QC by and QC by 2. What is a QA? Q plus 2Q plus 3Q by 2. What is the value? Q, 2Q, 3Q. This is a 6Q by 2. This is a 3Q. This is a 3Q. This is a Q1 is equal to 3Q value. Next to Q2 is equal to what is a Q2? Q2 is equal to QA minus Q1. Okay, that is this is you take QA. This is QB. This is QC. Your fund. QA means what is the QA? Q minus Q1. Q1 means 3Q. What is the value? Minus 2Q. This is Q2 value. Q2 value. Q3 is equal to minus Q2. So minus Q2 minus Q2 minus of minus 2Q. What is the value? This one Q3. So Q3 is equal to minus plus 2Q. Next to Q4 value is equal. Q4 is equal to QB minus Q3. QB means what is the QB? 2Q minus Q3. Q3 means what is the Q3? Q3 is 2Q. This is a value is 0. Q4 is 0. This is a Q4 value. Next to Q5 value is equal. Q5 is equal to minus Q4. Minus Q4 means minus 0. Minus 0. Q5 is equal to 0 value. That is a 0. Next to Q6 is equal to QC minus Q5. So minus QC means what is the value? QC 3Q minus 0. So what is the value? 3Q. This is Q6. This is the value 3Q. That is 3Q. This is the value. Now finally, so what is the answer for this one? Q1 means this is 3Q. Q2 means what is the Q2? Minus 2Q. And Q3 means what is the Q3? Q3 plus 2Q. And Q4. What is the Q4 value? 0. Q5 0. Q6 3Q. This is a value. That is your values. This is we're going to this is the one. Next, I'm going to explain next topic. Next, conducting sheet. Or conducting sheet, or spherical cell, or halo cell, halo cell. Charges. This is a spherical cell. This is a spherical cell. This is a spherical cell. So positive charge. Positive charge is uniformly distributed on the outer surface of the spherical cell. Positive charge is uniformly distributed on outer surface of spherical cell. This is a sigma is equal to charge by A. So Q is equal to sigma A. Q is equal to sigma. Sigma means sigma. Area of spherical cell means 4 pi r square. This is a radius r, means this is a 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is a radius. Now next, this is a spherical body. The body having charge is positive charge. This is a positive charge. So we have to find out Gaussian surface. Okay. So first, we know very well. So first of all, construct the Gaussian surface. Next, flux through the Gaussian surface. First of all, we calculate construct Gaussian surface. Second point is calculate electric flux through the Gaussian surface. Next, calculate charge inside the Gaussian surface. We have to find out 3. And next, come to the point. So this is the center of the spherical cell. This is a point. First of all, we are going to construct the Gaussian surface. From here to here is the distance or I'm taking. At this point I'm taking the Q0. This is a charge is capital Q. This capital Q will repel to this Q0 is this direction. This is the direction of electric field. So at this point we have to construct, and at this point you take any point. This is outside. At this point, from here to here is the distance. Here to here is R. I'm keeping Q0. This is a spherical cell having capital Q. This capital Q will repel to Q0 in this direction. This is the E. Suppose I'm taking this is a point. I'm placing point Q0. Q0 is placing here. This ring having capital Q, the capital Q will repel to this Q0 is this direction, that is the E. You take any point. You take any point here. So we join this all dotted lines. We call this is a Gaussian surface. First of all, we construct the Gaussian surface. This is a spherical cell having charge Q. This is a Gaussian surface. Construct Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface. Now, this is the first construct Gaussian surface. A constructed Gaussian surface. Say at this place, I'm placing, suppose this is one point, I'm placing Q0. This Q will repel to this Q0 is this direction. That is electric field is outward direction. Suppose at this point, I'm placing Q0. From here to here, distances are, distances are. This Q will repel to this Q0 is this direction. Suppose at this point Q0 is placing. From here to here is the distances are this Q, first Q will repel to this Q naught is this direction, which is the electric field direction of electric. Suppose at this point, from here to here distance or Q naught, this is Q naught. This ring having capital Q will repel to this Q naught is this direction. This is the direction of electric. Direction of electric. So now Gaussian surface is spherical. This is a small area. This is the area vector is outward direction. That is a normal or area vector is outward direction. Suppose I'm taking the small surface. This is a end cap. This is a drawn small element area. This is end cap outward direction. This is small area. End cap is outward direction. So what is the angle between the E bar and N bar? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Theta is equal to 0. Angle between N cap and E cap is angle between two is 0 degrees. N cap and G cap angle between N cap and E cap is equal to 0 degrees. 0 degrees. Now, so first one is construct Gaussian surface. I constructed Gaussian surface around the spherical. So next, second point. So calculate the electric flux. Calculate the electric flux. Electric flux is equal to integration E bar ds bar dA bar. You can take Q enclosed by epsilon. Q enclosed by epsilon. This is a EA, the cos theta. Cos theta. So flux is equal to EA cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So electric flux is equal to EA. Electric flux is equal to EA. So electric flux E means 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Distance from center to here is r. 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Next we are taking this formula. So phi is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon. So electric flux is equal to what is the electric flux? E 4 pi r square. So Q enclosed. This is the Gaussian surface. This is a spherical cell having charges capital Q by epsilon. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by r square. This is a E. This is a E outside. This is a E outside. E outside. Next point. This is a case 1. Next case 2. Case 2 E on is equal. Suppose so this is a spherical cell having charges positive charge. Positive charge. So next, I'm taking the point on this point. This is from here to here. This is the radius R. I'm taking the spherical cell radius is from here to here is R. From here to here is R. From here to here is R. What is the radius R? Gaussian surface drawn here. Gaussian surface drawn here means so. What is that? E r is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Small r is equal to capital R, and capital Q naught is placed here. Small r is equal to capital R, and we are writing Q by small r is equal to capital R means we are going to write that is the E square. E r square. This is the E square. Next case number 3. Case number 3. This is a case number 1. So electric field this is inside. Next, this is a Gaussian. This is a spherical cell. This is a spherical cell. Charge is positive charge. So next, I'm taking. Next is this is a radius is from here to here is R. Next, I'm taking the from here to here charge is Q naught is placed inside the spherical cell. From this is center of the ring. From here to here is Q naught is placing here. Construct Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. So inside the Gaussian surface, any charge is present. This is a Q naught. This is Q naught. So this is a Gaussian surface. Inside the Gaussian surface, any charge is present inside the Gaussian surface. There is no charges inside the Gaussian surface. Now, so E is equal to EA cos theta is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon naught. So phi EA cos theta and phi is equal to Q and by epsilon naught. Phi is equal to Q and epsilon naught is 0. Flux is 0. Flux is 0. Flux is 0. EA cos theta. EA cos theta. E also 0. Electric field is inside the electric field is 0. That is the meaning. That is the meaning. So here, this is outside of the electric. So we are finding electric field is outside. So next electric field find out on the sphere. This is electric field is inside the sphere. Inside the sphere. Electric field calculate inside the sphere. Case number 1. Electric field. Electric field is outside of the electric field. A cos theta. So phi is equal to q n by epsilon. So electric field is electric field is outside. So electric field is outside. Here, electric field is on this sphere. Electric field is. So we are calculating electric field outside of the sphere. Electric field is outside, not outside. Electric field is outside of sphere. So electric field is on this sphere. So electric field is inside the sphere. Inside the sphere. Inside the sphere. Inside the sphere. Here, so we are telling at this point. This is outside of the sphere. This is the point is outside. This is the point is outside the sphere. We are calculating electric field at this point. E out means that is a q by, from here q inversely proportional r square. This is E out. E out. So from here E out inversely proportional 1 by r square. This is inside. E in is equal to 0. E in is equal to 0. E in is equal to 0. So we are going to calculate. Next we draw the graph. So this is a graph. This is a distance. This is the electric field. Electric field. Inside is this is r less than case 1. This is r greater than or less than capital R. Capital R. Case number 2. R is equal to capital R. Next, case number 3, R less than capital R. R less than capital R. This is capital R is equal to small r. This is R greater than capital R. This is R less than capital R. Capital R. R less than capital R means what is the electric field? Electric field is inside 0. This is E in. This is E on. This is E out. E out. E on is electric field is 0, but E on means some electric field is exit, but E out means what is the electric field? So parabola. This is a graph. This is a very important. Very important graph. Very important. So electric field is outside of the sphere. We have to calculate the electric field outside of the sphere. Electric field is on the sphere. Electric field is inside the sphere. We are going to calculate it. This is a graph. This is a graph. That is a graph. Next, some important points. E on. E on. E on means what is the E on? E on means capital R means small r. E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Q by r square. Q by r square. So next, E center. E inner. E inner. Inside is what is the E inner? E So U in is equal to R less than capital R, Q is equal to 0, electric field is equal to 0, electric field is equal to 0. So E on, E in, and E center, E center, E center is equal to, what is the E center? Electric field is 0, electric field is 0, R is equal to 0, R is equal to A center is equal to 0. Next, so R is equal to infinity. R is equal to infinity. So what we are going to explain, E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Next, E in is equal to condition. This is E on R less than capital R. E in is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E inside. E inside means E in means small r less than capital R. E is equal to 0. Q is equal to 0. E center. E center. R is equal to 0. E is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. E infinity. Infinity. E infinity means R is equal to infinity. What is the general form? You can select this one. E outside. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So Q by R square. So E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So Q by R square means infinity square. This is a E. Infinity means this is a 0. This is a 0 value. 0 value. This is a E infinity. Infinity. That is the value is 0. That is the value is 0. So next, so I'm going to explain the potential. Do you know very well? So from this conclusion, what is the conclusion? Here, this is a very, very, very important. Now, so what we are getting? E out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R small r. E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R square. E in is equal to 0. Electric field is 0. That is the point. Next, so sigma is equal to Q by A. Q by A. Spherical area means 4 pi R square. 4 pi R square. This is a formula. Now capital Q means E out. E out means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q means I'm going to write sigma 4 pi R square by R square. R square cancel, and E out is equal to 4 pi cancel each other. Sigma by epsilon. Sigma by epsilon. That is E out. This is a radius. Wait, ma. Wait, 1 minute. This is a spherical cell. This is a spherical cell. Spherical cell. Radius is capital R. This is a capital Q. Capital sigma is equal to Q by area. Q is equal to A. So Q is equal to sigma 4 pi. Radius is capital R square. Capital R square. This is a value. This value put in this equation, and this is En is equal to 0. So E out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q means what is a Q? Sigma 4 pi R square by R square. Small r square. So 4 pi cancels. So E out is equal to sigma R square by epsilon naught small r square. Small r square. This is a value. Next, this is a E out. E on means what is E on? On is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by small r square. E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q means what is a Q? Sigma 4 pi R square by R square. 4 pi cancel each other. R square cancel each other. E on is equal to sigma E by epsilon. Sigma by epsilon. That is the value. E in is equal to 0. E n is equal to 0. That is the value. E center. E center is equal to R is equal to 0. E center is equal to 0. E infinity. E infinity. E infinity is equal to what is the value? That is a value. That is a value. So for this one. So this is in terms of this is a sigma. This is a sigma. This is a sigma in terms of sigma. This is in terms of charges. In terms of charges. E out in terms of Q. E out in terms of Q. E in 0. This is a E out in terms of sigma. This is a E out. E out in terms of sigma. E out in terms of sigma. In terms of sigma. E is equal to 0. So this is the E center. E center is equal to center. E center is equal to 0. E infinity is equal to 0. E infinity 0. E in also 0. That is the values. This is value. So this is converted to electric potential. Electric potential. No. Electric potential. Electric potential. Next, we know relation. So this is I'm not explaining this class. Next class I'm going to explain this derivation. I'm going to next class. Minus dv by dr. This is a relation between electric field and potential. Electric potential. So V is equal to minus E into dr. E into dr. This is a relation. Keep in mind. Now we will say E out, A out. We know. So E out is equal to what is E out? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by small r square. E out. E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R square. E in is equal to 0. E in is equal to 0. This is 1. So this is E out. We are going to calculate minus E by dr. So V out is equal to minus E means this is the E. E means what is E out? I am going to calculate epsilon naught Q by R square. This is the dr. So V out is equal to minus integration 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught take common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q by this is minus dr. So integration R power of n dr is equal to R power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is a formula. This is a formula. So V out is equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and n means what is n? Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. This is the upper limit, lower limit. There is no limit. So this is a minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is a value is R power minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 cancel out. This is a V out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is a Q. This is R power of minus 1 means this is a 1 by R. This is a V out. That is a V out. So V on is equal to small r is equal to capital R. Just replace by the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by small r means instead of I'm going to write capital R. Capital R. Capital R. This is E is equal to minus dV by dr. So E is equal to E in. I'm going to calculate E in. E in means what is value? 0. So minus dV by dr. So minus take this side. That is dV by dr is equal to 0. dV is equal to dr. Take this side 0. This is a V. dV is equal to constant. dV is equal to constant. So V is equal to constant. V is equal to constant, does not zero. So V is equal to V in is equal to not equal to 0. So V in is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by sorry Q by R. Q by R. This is the Q. This is the Q in. That is the Q in. Q in. So you see that this is a V out. V out inversely proportional R. So V on inversely proportional 1 by capital R. So V in inversely proportional 1 by R. 1 by R. V in. So you take the capital R. V center also. V center also. Q by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital R. So we are going to draw the graph V out, V in. So finally, so V out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q by this is small r. So V on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R. So V in is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R. Q by capital R. Now this is a graph. This is a V. This is R distance. So this is capital R is equal to small r is equal to capital R. This is on the sphere. This is R less than capital R. This is R greater than capital R. Capital R. This is a distance. So now you will see. So what happened? V out. What is a V out? So V out inversely proportional 1 by small r. So next V on inversely proportional capital R. So V in inversely proportional 1 by capital R. Capital R. This is your graph. What is your graph? So inside is constant. V is inside is V constant. Where inside? V inside is constant. This is the inside. Inside on the means this is the next out means inversely proportional. This is your graph. This is your graph. This is on this sphere. This is inside. This is outside. This is a graph between electric potential and R distance. Now, in terms of constant, in a constant. So next, so this is spherical cell. This is sigma is equal to Q into A. Sigma is equal to Q. Radius is capital R, 4 pi R square. So V out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So V out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q means what is sigma is equal to Q by A. Sigma is equal to Q by A. Sigma, this is sigma, this is a Q, sorry. From sigma A. Okay, now Q means sigma 4 pi capital R square by small r. Small V out is equal to 4 pi constant. And sigma R square by sigma epsilon naught. That is a V out. That is a V out. V out. V out means this is we are taking small r square, small r square. V out, V out, we are taking 4 pi r square. V out. So V out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon. This is a small r square. We are taking outside. This is a V out. V, the sigma 4 pi r squared by small r. And this is 4 pi epsilon 4 pi cancel. V out is equal to, and r cancel, sigma r by epsilon. Sigma r by. This is a V out. V in is equal to V on. V on is sigma r by epsilon. Sigma r by epsilon. V in, V on, V in, V in is equal to V on also V inner. This is on the surface. V inner inside is equal to V in is equal to next solid. So next another concept. Next another concept. Next concept is solid or non-kinetic. Solid, non-kinetic. Solid, non-kinetic. Solid, non-kinetic. Solid means I'm taking the material. This is the body. The positive charge is uniformly distributed over the solid body. Solid. So positive charge is uniformly distributed over the surface of the body. Surface of the body. This is a rho is equal to Q by volume of the charge. Rho is equal to Q by volume means 4 pi charge pi r cube. So this is a radius capital R means radius is capital R means this is R cube or cube. This is a cube is equal to 4 by third pi r cube rho. We are taking this one. So next term, so we are going to calculate case number one. Case number one. So point P. Point P is outside the solid body. Solid body. Solid body. Point P is outside of the solid. So this is a body. Radius is capital R. This is a point P. This is I'm taking Q naught. This entered body having charges Q. From this is the center of the body. From this is center of the body. This radius is capital R. From here to here is the distance R. From here to here distance is R. This is a capital. This is a capital. So first of all, so we have to construct this is a P out. P out outside of the, so P point P is outside of the solid body. So we construct Gaussian surface. This is the Gaussian surface. So first we connect the Gaussian surface. construct the Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface is over. Next, this is a positive charge. This positive charge. Next, we calculate the electric flux to the Gaussian surface. This is a positive charge. Positive charge produces electric field is outward direction. This is electric field is outward direction. Outward direction. This is a outward direction. So this is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric. So this is a field line. This is a field line or field line or plus field line. This field line passes through the Gaussian surface. Field line passes through the Gaussian surface. That is a we call electric flux. So we have to calculate the electric flux to the Gaussian surface. So we are taking the small element. This is a Gaussian surface. This is a small element of Gaussian surface. This is the n cap. So what is the angle between E bar and theta? 0 degrees. We draw the Gaussian surface. This is a small element. This is the direction of E bar. This is the direction of n cap. What is angle? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. So you can take. Now next one is so electric flux is equal to E dA cos theta is equal to Q n by epsilon naught. So P is equal to, I'm taking the first of this formula, EA cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees. Phi E is equal to. So phi E is equal to, what is the cos 0 1? This is EA. This is a EA. Next, so phi E is equal to Q n by epsilon naught. Q n by epsilon. Q n by epsilon. So this is a phi E is equal to Qn. Qn means what is the Q? This is a chart is capital Q epsilon naught. Capital Q epsilon naught. Now both are equating each other. So phi E is equal to Qn by epsilon naught. So what is the phi E? EA Q by epsilon naught. E means what is the E? A area. What is the area of the sphere? So 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Distance is from here to here is r square. Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface. Area of the Gaussian surface. Q by epsilon naught. Q by E is equal. Take the side. 1 by 4 pi r square. Q by epsilon naught. This is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by small r square. This is a E out. This is a E out. This is a E out. E out is equal to, what is the formula? E out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R square. This is a E out value. Case number 2. So point P is on the solid body. So E out. The condition is this is small r is equal to capital R. In this condition is small r greater than capital R. In this condition, so what happens? E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon r Q by small r is equal to capital R square. This is E on is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon r capital Q by capital R square. This is a E on electric field. Next case number 3. So case number 3, point P is inside the solid body. Inside the solid body, we are going to check it. Inside body. So P is inside the body. This is a spherical body. Positive charges. This is a. So this is a radius. What is the radius? Capital R. This is capital. Inside means I'm taking from here to R. So we have to draw the Gaussian surface. We have to draw the. This is a Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. So this is a solid body. This solid body having charges. What is the charge of this solid body? solid body charge is this solid body charge is capital Q. This is the radius is capital R. Now this is center. Now, so this is I'm taking the point P from here to this small r. This is a Gaussian surface. We draw the Gaussian surface. In this sphere having charges Q dash. That is the charge is Q dash. So now electric flux is equal to EA cos theta is equal to Q and by epsilon. So phi E is equal to Q and by epsilon. Q and by epsilon. So next phi E is equal to BA cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So phi E is equal to EA. Phi E is equal to E into area means what is the area? 4 pi r square. This is Gaussian surface area. Gaussian surface area. Next phi E is equal to Q n by epsilon naught. Q n by epsilon naught. This is a Q n dash. So Q dash value is equal to what is the Q dash value? Q dash value is volume of the Q dash is so R cube. So capital Q, this is a capital Q. So capital Q is equal to this is a capital Q dash you take. So this is a capital R cube. This is a radius. That is a radius. Okay, don't want to take this side. Okay, this is a Q dash is equal to R cube. This is a capital R cube into Q. You can take like this. Otherwise, you can't understand this means you do one thing. You take this. You can't understand this one means you take QE is equal to this is a total charge. This is a total charge. So Q by total charge volume 4 by third phi R cube into so this part of the charge. This part of the charge. What is a charge? That is what we are taking Q dash by. So Q dash by 4 pi third. So that is the volume into this is a charge, total charge. This is a total charge Q by 4 pi third pi r cube and remaining so volume of charge. So you are taking so Q dash is equal to capital Q by 4 by third phi r cube into 4 by third phi r cube. This is you are getting Q dash. This is the value this is a Gaussian surface having Q dash. So Q dash is equal to 4 pi third cancel pi cancel Q by r cube by capital R small r cube. This is your value. That is your value. So now so this is phi E is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon. So phi E means what is phi E? 4 pi r square is equal to Q enclosed. Q enclosed means Q r cube by capital R cube epsilon naught. This is E is equal to E is equal to Q small r cube by epsilon naught capital R cube that is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. E is equal to so r cube one cancel and this is a QR 4 pi epsilon naught capital R cube. This is E in is equal to directly proportional R. That is E in. That is E in is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small r by capital R cube. Now E out inversely proportional 1 by r square. E on inversely proportional capital R square. E in is equal to directly proportional small r. That is a value. Now we are going to draw the graphs. This is A. This is E out, E on, E in, E out, E in, E on. So we are going to draw the graph E and R. E and R. This is the capital R is equal small r less than capital R. This is small r greater than capital R. This is out on this is on. This is the inside the body and sorry. Inside means what is the inside cap? E directly proportional linear. This is a linear graph. On means what is the on? On means capital R square. So next universally proportional. This is a parabola. This is a graph. So this is a graph. This is a solid or non-conducting. Solid, non-conducting. This is a board. So now this is this value is converted into in terms of sigma. In terms of sigma, E out is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Small r. So here Q is equal to sigma is equal to what is a Q by V. Q is equal to V rho. So Q is equal to 4 pi third pi R cube. So what is R cube and rho? R cube and rho. Ready? This is capital R cube and rho. So this value put in this equation, the E out is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q means 4 pi third pi R cube and rho by and R square. What is the R square? This is E out. E out is equal to 4 cancel and 5 cancel. Now value is what is the value? R cube rho by 3 epsilon naught R square. R square. This is the E out. That is a E out. You check it. E out is equal to sigma R cube by 3 epsilon naught R square. That is E out. Next E on. E on condition is capital R is equal to small r. Capital R is equal to small r. E out is equal to sigma R cube by 3 epsilon naught R square. E out is equal to capital R is equal to small r. Capital R is equal to smaller rho R cube by 3 epsilon naught. This is the capital R square. So square and cancel. This is the sigma R by 3 epsilon naught. This is a E out. E out. This is a E out value. That is a E out value. Next E in value. E in value is equal to what is the E in value? E in value is equal to so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q means what is a Q? 4 pi third pi R cube rho and small r by capital R cube. R cube cancel. 4 cancel. 5 cancel. And the value is equal to E in is equal to rho small r by epsilon naught. Small r by epsilon naught. That is inside. That is a inside value. And 3 is there. 3 will come. This is a inside value. Inside value. So E center is equal to 0. E center is equal to 0. E center is equal to 0. E infinity is equal to what is the value? 0 value. E center is equal to 0. E infinity also 0. This is up to this is electric field. Now, so today class is over. Tomorrow I will continue next class. Thank you.